Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Prisma. Today we are going to learn select the specific fields in the Prisma ORM with Node.js. So basically we are going to learn this how to select the specific fields in the Prisma ORM. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here I'm going to create a new project. Okay, so if you have already knowledge of that one, so that you can skip that part also. Otherwise I will use my previous templates. Okay, so here I'm going to use my Prisma CRUD operations part. So let me open with the terminal. So let me close all the terminals over here. Close. Let me open with the terminal. So I'm not creating the project currently. If you're following my videos, definitely you know how to create that project and everything. Okay, so let me open the code base over here. So it's opening, right? So in this schema.prisma we have the user. Let me change this model. I think I don't need this model, so I have already the model, so I'm going to use my model. So for the creating the new project, that you have to go with create this one, cd with that one, initialize with the node npm package, then you have to install this Prisma client, then in npx Prisma init will give you this file Prisma schema.prisma. Okay, I'm going to use that this schema. Okay, so database source, and this I need require the ID, username and the email currently, so I'm going to use that one. So how many more is opening over here? Let me close this. And how, what about this? So this is two more is opening, so I think I need to close this also. Okay, now we have to replace this one with R. So here we go with this one. So database, that is I'm using the MySQL. Okay, so I have to go with the env file, and here you can see that we have already database connection with the test db. Okay, so this part is done. Next, moving to the index.js. So I'm going to create any of the file over here. So currently it's server.js. I'm going to create a new file, that is app.js for this file. Okay, so let's update the code over this. So here we go with this one. So I'm going to use the client Prisma. Okay, and here we go with this one. So we are selecting some of the fields. Okay, so here we go with this one. So id, username and the email, that selected fields we required. Okay, so let's go and check the adminer, what exactly we have in the database. Localhost slash php slash adminer. So I think it's root. This is not the password. So let's see the test db. We have users, so we have the username, email and the password. So let me add the password also in the schema Prisma. So let's add the password. Okay, this is done. Let's go and check this one. So we have already two users with the name. Let's add some of them also. I have already added this one, so here we go with this one. So let me insert the records. We have the users table. So here we go with the SQL command. Let's add, execute. Field password does not have default value, so let's add the password over here. Email comma password. So here I'm going to add the password with anything. So here we go with this one, and the last I'm going to add with this comma and comma over here. Let's add more over here and make it execute. Okay, you can see that in the users table we have all the data that we have now. Okay, now we are going to select the field. So id, username, email, so you can skip the password. So this is the query that we have the app.js file, right? Okay, meanwhile if you are the new one, then you have to write the npx generate this command for this. Here you can see that here I have added Prisma for the initialization. Next we have the command that is npx prisma generate. Okay, and it will generate that file. And if you want to run the migration, then you have to run the npx prisma migrate. Okay, so you have to write the command for the generation of the migrations. You know that we have already discussed in the playlist, right? So you need to add this command. I think migrate dev is the command, I guess. Okay, so this is done. Now let's hit this one and check that the fields which we are required is coming up over here or not. So here you can see that we have using the id, username and the email, right? And let's find the selected fields we have passed over here. Find many. So select field is id, username and email. So only these fields it gonna be returned. Okay, and if something goes wrong it will go over here. And now at the last we are disconnecting and call this function. Okay, so let's run this one. So node app.js file over here, let's hit. And here you can see that something went wrong. Unknown field, that is username. Let's check what the field is. It's username. And here what we are expecting, that is username. Here what they are saying about this one, let's export this and do something. Okay, so here we have this files. Let's what the issue they are raising. So it says that the email true. Cons user select this email true. The unknown failed username for the select statement for the model user. Okay, I think we haven't run the npx generate, right? So let's run this npx whatever the command we have. Let's go and check this one. That is npx prisma generate. Already it's there, but we have to run this command. Okay. So you need to install the following package. I think I am on the not the latest version, I guess. So let me control C, nvm use node 20. Now I'm going to use npx prisma generate. Now it's gonna be generating npx prisma migrate. I think then it will run, I guess. Node, if it is unknown column, test db.user.name does not exist in the current database, because username I guess I have added, might be. So let's run this one. So npx prisma migrate dev. So all the data will be lost. Do you want to we need to reset the mysql database, either do you want to continue? Yes, do the reset. Test, and this is done. Okay, let's run node app.js. It will return empty because none of the data is we have. So let's add the data we have already. Export this one. Okay, so this is the data. Let's insert into the database and check. So let's go to the SQL command. Let's insert the records, execute. Testdb.users does not exist. Why? Let's go and reload this. SQL commands. So we have the user table, right? So let's go and add this one. So user is there. So let me add into user. Sorry, user. Let's go and execute this command. It's added. You can see that we have the records. Let's fetch the records. Okay, so here we go with this one. Node app.js. Here you can see only id, username, email is fetched. If I just kept the email to be like this, only this records I want to fetch. Let's restart the server and only the username and email. So this is how only the selected fields you want to retrieve with the help of this method. Like which selected fields, it should be the object. Okay, and here on the find menu, whatever, make sure you have to add the select, and which selected fields you want to select, you want to mention over here. Then it will give you the selected fields. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.